Today we're going to talk about how you can assess contrast on a liquid glass or glassmorphic surface. And we're actually going to use a real example. So we're going to head over to MasterCard, and I have the dev tools open because it's just going to help me look at exactly how these elements and components are built. So I'm really interested in this navigation that they have. It's a glassmorphic element because, as you can tell, there's a background blur applied as you scroll. So if I wanted to test this white text on top of this glassmorphic element, which I already know the properties of, on top of this video, then I can do that in BlendStack. So I know that my text is white, so I'm going to go ahead and change that foreground, and I can see that it instantly changed over here. I'm going to upload the video that we were able to get from MasterCard, and there it is. As you can see, it's moving in the background. And I know my glass tint is white. And I know that the opacity is actually 10%. And my blur intensity is actually also 10. And as you can see, I get a rendering that's relatively close, and it probably matches one-to-one. It's just a little bit different in terms of context to what we have on the MasterCard website. I'm going to go ahead and apply these settings. And voila, I have a result. And here we're getting a caution notification, which means that this thing isn't actually really accessible for any text that's smaller than 18 points. So right now, although this navigation looks really awesome and the experienced team that worked on the MasterCard website did an exceptional job, it may not be particularly easy to view for users. So in terms of contrast, and if you have any form of visual impairment, it might even be more difficult. So there's that. Check us out for more tutorials. There are certainly many more to come.